HMT Manufacturing is a leading manufacturer of hot melt adhesive films. We specialize in the fabrication of flat panel laminating equipment. HMT Advantage laminating system utilizes the benefits of hot melt adhesives to avoid time-consuming PVA and contact-type glues, which waste valuable time with their curing and cleanup. The HMT basic concept involves three effective elements: heat, pressure, and our exclusive hot melt adhesive film. These three key elements eliminate the use of solvents, toxins, and water while providing a superior bond and reducing labor cost. The HMT Advantage laminating system has 5 basic components. First is the infeed section that holds the substrate material to be laminated. Second is the laminate rack that holds the face material to be laminated. Third is the heater assembly that activates the hot melt adhesive on the substrate material. Fourth is the compression roll assembly that joins the face material, the activated hot melt adhesive, and the substrate. Fifth is the control panel, which has 5 basic switches. The first key on the control panel is the main power. Next is the machine run switch that supplies power to both the drive circuit and the heater assembly. Third is heater on, which supplies power to the heat bank assembly. The fourth is a machine speed that controls the laminating speed. Fifth is heat bank temperature, which allows control of the heater throughout its range of 0 to 100%. The Advantage laminator's design eliminates multiple steps that other systems still require. The first step is to load the substrate onto the conveyor system. This can be done with a single operator. The hot melt film is then pulled over the substrate. You can then cut the film with a shop knife. As you look at the laminator, above the infeed conveyor is the laminate rack. The laminate rack is sturdy enough to hold several pieces of laminate while processing a job. To begin the laminating process, the substrate with the hot melt film is pushed onto the drive system. The drive system pulls the substrate into the activation area, where an infrared heat bank producing more than 9,000 watts of heat activates the hot melt film. The laminate is indexed to a preset stop. It meets the advancing substrate with the activated hot melt film. Then both enter the powered compression rollers, where the laminate is bonded to the substrate. The finished panel exits to the outfeed conveyor, where it's ready for immediate fabrication. Smaller panels can also be manufactured with the Advantage laminating system. First, cut the hot melt film sheet larger than the substrate panel. Then lay the sheet onto the substrate. Start the panel through the drive section and place the laminate against the side guide and the stop. As the panel comes through, it will catch the laminate and pull it through the compression rollers. Delivering a finished product ready to be trimmed. The HMT Advantage laminating system is an economical piece of equipment with many safety features. An emergency stop is installed to ensure the ability to turn off the laminator immediately. If necessary, there's a safety release across the head of the machine, which will shut off the machine and release the compression rollers. Also, safety guards provide protection against hands entering the compression roller area. Options for the Advantage and Advantage Plus laminators include extra infeed-outfeed conveyors, a hot knife glue cutoff, and a roll stock feed system for fabrics, papers, and other similar materials. You can purchase all items through HMT, either on a new laminator or as a retrofit. In-feed-out-feed conveyors make it easier to handle full-size panels. If mounted on casters, you can move them to other machines in your shop. The unit shown here has the optional roll stock attachment bolted to it. The hot knife glue cutoff is used to cut a sheet of glue to fit the panel being laminated. The knife is mounted in holes already in the conveyor. It plugs into a twist lock receptacle in the control panel. To turn it on, simply plug it in. It heats up even faster than the machine itself. The roll stock system is useful for applying materials such as fabrics and papers to a substrate. The roll feed frame is bolted to a conveyor section, which is then bolted to the outfeed end of the laminator, as shown. The material is then fed around the top chrome compression roll until it comes through the compression rolls, where it waits to be picked up by the substrate coming through. If you're looking for an economical, safe, effective way to apply laminate to nearly any substrate, the HMT laminating system should be your choice. For more information regarding our HMT laminating system, contact an authorized distributor or call us at HMT Manufacturing at 1-800-433-0730 or log on to our website at www.hmtmfg.com.